say Bobo, you say Bagshee. Bobo
Bagshee!
Bobo
Bagshee!
Bobo
Bagshee!
Yep, I told my mom that one day I would be famous and there would be at least 2 people yelling out my name. Ha ha! I'm so thrilled to be back to do another set on ToffeeTV's Comedy Corner. You guys are lovely. In fact, I think I love you. Yeah, that's just a response to encourage me. Laughter when I tell someone I love them.
Aww. We love you, Bobo!
That's sweet. Yeah, I love cats. I absolutely love them. They're like rock stars that work really hard at sleeping. They make us fall in love with them. And when we try and give them attention, they demand that we pamper them even more. We call out their names, and sometimes, just sometimes if we're lucky, the little kitty will open and close her eyes. That's all. That's how they say, "Yeah, human, we love you. Now please, pamper me while I sleep." I have a cat named Toffee. And when you see us together, you'll know who's boss. This one time, we were out for a walk, and I saw an apple on a tree, like a really cute-looking apple that I wanted Toffee to see. So I bent down to pick her up, and just as I did, she gave me this one look that said, "Stand back, and stand back up straight right this minute. You've got really bad posture, puppet." I was stunned. Like, who's watching us? But Toffee knows. Besides, I'm glad I didn't take her close to the tree. She would have gotten really scared of the tree bark. Does anyone here have a talking parrot?
Yeah, me. I do.
This one time, my friend was so scared, he had a bird that was beautiful and pretty and everything. One day, the bird brain flew away, right out of the cage. He opened the cage, and he flew away. No big deal, right?
Right.
Well, turns out, the only thing the bird could say was, "Here, kitty, kitty, kitty." Card games are really popular. I mean, they show them on television and on the internet like all the time. I even heard the famous Julia Roberts saying that she plays mahjong to get rid of stress. Wow! So, everyone plays, right? Humans, dogs, birds, even kangaroos playing all these different card games. But do you know why cats are never seen playing poker together? Because they are cheetahs! I love reading, so I tried to be part of this book club that my cats have, right? Try and be inclusive and stuff. But boy, oh boy, did that backfire. Turned out I was trying to read books like J.K. Rowling, Judy Blume, C.S. Lewis, adventure, science fiction, action, comics, everything, I tried reading them all. Problem was, the only books that the cats were interested in reading in the book club was the catalog. Hey, do you know how cats maintain law and order?
No!
With some major claw enforcement. That's it from me. You've been a meow Somalian. Have a good night.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.